So ayan guys, I'm going to ride the camel and let's see if the camel likes me. What? Ayan, so let's do it. Ayan, I want to ride in the camel. I ride like long time ago, 10 years ago when I arrived here in Doha. So I want to try it now. Hello bro, how much? One ticket, how much? 10 real, okay. Where I will buy? There? Ah, okay.
A few moments later.
Guys, I want to try to ride in the camel. Come on, let's go. Let's feel the ride, how it's going. Wow. Oh. Come on. So guys, it's a very amazing experience. The camel here in Cedra Farm. So I love it. I love to play with animals, to visit some places like this. I really enjoy the experience. So come on, when you have a chance, come and visit here at North Cedra Farm, Doha, Qatar.
Bring your families and friends with you and they will enjoy it.
Later.
Much. See, they forget once in a while the city life. They love watching the animals like me. Go again? You are still here, Sibra? It's nice to see you again. I will come back soon. Bye bye. Kaya tingnan natin yung nasa loob dito. Yan, museum dito. Yan, may museum din pala dito. So guys, pumasok kami sa museum. Maliit lang siya pero maraming mga displays na about Qatari cultures, yung mga antiques na andito. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako, silipin natin kung ano mayroon dito sa loob. Let's go. Mga ano, Very nice, grabe. Ayan guys, ang ganda dito sa loob. Ayun dito parang mini museum. Ayan, ang ganda yung mga lumang mga antiques. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan natin dito guys. Ay, dito. Ayan o. Grabe. Ang ganda dito. It's a very nice experience. Go. Dito.
2 hours later. 2,000 years.
So guys, we have so
later.
much fun here in North Cedra. We are here in the exit to buy fresh vegetables.
Hello my friend, how are you? Yeah. This one we take